Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off calendar sync with Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, we're going to tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then at the top, swipe down and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on manage accounts. Then we scroll down and tap on Samsung account. Now after that, tap on sync account. Then go down and tap on calendar toggle button to turn off or turn on sync for calendar. Now if I tap on a calendar left hand side panel, I can tap on the sync now button to immediately sync the calendar information to the Samsung account. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.